Hi, Janelle here with She Pill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy to have you here today. It is cold, winter time, and this is a time of year I make a lot of syrups. I make elderberry syrup, hibiscus syrup, and today I'm going to show you how to make ginger syrup. So we're going to start with fresh ginger root, and this syrup is really good for soothing the throat, helping with coughs, opening up the chest, stimulating warmth in the body, and boosting the immune system. So before we get started, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below, which has my link tree, which links to everything that is me, including my newsletter, where you can sign up for my newsletter, ask for my free ebook on making herbal teas, and let's get started. Okay, so I have about 9 to 10 ounces of fresh ginger root here. I'm going to wash this and slice it into smaller pieces. I actually am going to leave the skin on. If you have good quality organic ginger root, you can leave the skin on to make your syrup. So I've sliced up all of my ginger. It's not exactly uniform, one inch chunks. And I am going to put the ginger here in a small saucepan pot. And what I'm going to do is cover the ginger with water. So I want to have enough water to just cover plus an inch. Okay, so I have covered my ginger with water plus an inch, and now I'm going to simmer this on low until the water reduces to half, and it should be like a golden brown, like orangish golden brown colored decoction after I simmer, and I'm probably going to simmer about 40 to 45 minutes. So this is what I'm talking about when I say simmer. You can see it is not a rolling boil. It's kind of just steaming off gently. I do not do rolling boils for my herbal decoctions. Some barks I will make hotter than this, but for the ginger root I just have it on about a 4 temperature. Okay, you can see that I lost quite a bit of water here, and the color is a more golden color of the tea. I would consider these kind of spent, the ginger here, and I'm going to strain into a jar. So by simmering down all of this ginger, I have a very concentrated tea here, which is called a decoction, and it is rather spicy. So if I'm making a cup of ginger tea, 1 cup, I would probably use maybe just 1 chunk, small chunk, and it would be a very pale color, but we're making this a syrup, so it has been concentrated. Now I'm going to add equal parts honey. So if I measure what liquid I have left, that is the same amount of liquid I am doing, or the same amount of honey I am doing in equal parts. So I did eyeball measurement, half honey. I'm going to stir this up. So I just poured in about 2 tablespoons of the syrup into the shot glass here to drink. And I'm getting over a cold, so I'm having more than I would say. For prevention, you want to have like maybe 1 teaspoon two times a day. If you are in the midst of a cold, then about 1 tablespoon every hour or 2. So bottoms up. Spicy, very spicy. Tastes like ginger candy, but a little bit spicier. And now that syrup, you want to put a lid on, label it, today's date, the day you make it for sure, because this has an expiration date. It's only going to last a few weeks in the refrigerator. You just want to keep your eye on it. Now, if you would put a little bit of vodka in there or some vinegar, That will help preserve it longer. I don't want to do that. I want to just have the pure syrup, the ginger tea, and the honey. It tastes really good, very warming. And let me know if you make this. Come back here and leave a comment and tell me what you think. So thanks for watching. Come again soon, and bye for now.